Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the display cable on a Dell Precision M6700. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, slide locking mechanism to the side to release the battery. Now unscrew, then slide over base to remove it from the laptop. Now use fingers to gently unsnap and remove keyboard bezel. Now unscrew and turn over keyboard. Then gently pull out securing clip to disconnect cable from motherboard. Then unscrew and remove DVD drive. Then remove hard drive screws. Now unscrew and slide hard drive latch to unlock and pull out the hard drive. Now unscrew and remove hard drive and caddy from the laptop. Next, remove palmrest screws from bottom base. Disconnect Bluetooth cable. Now unscrew and disconnect palmrest. Then use fingers to separate and remove palmrest. Next, disconnect and loosen antenna cables. Next, unscrew bracket and disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Then unsnap and remove display bezel. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Then disconnect and remove display cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.